Hi, my name's Martin from Reversing Cameras UK. Now I've just temporarily rigged this up, just gaffer taped it onto the back of a car. It's actually quite decent gaffer tape, this. I don't know whether I'm allowed to say the brand name of it. But anyway, it's in the evening, it's autumn time. I've actually been caught out. It's obviously getting dark a bit earlier than I planned. But I've just temporarily rigged it up. And this one is our 5-inch DW50 series. So with that camera, the product code would be DW50A. If you see any lines on the screen, they're not there in real life. It's just what happens when you video an LCD panel screen. So it's a 3-channel monitor. You can intermix with wireless and cable, obviously to get the wireless to work. So this is the 2-meter wiring harness. There's obviously a little disconnect point, so if ever you wanted to take just a monitor out, you can. And then it comes down. I've got it temporarily rigged off a lighter plug, but you can obviously hardwire it. That's what most people tend to do. So you've got 3 channels, only one of them is in use at the moment. I've got this one, channel 1 at the moment. So this goes to the WB60 RX box receiver. So we've used this for a number of years, been really reliable. You know, it gives you a nice picture. It securely talks to the camera at the back there. I'll take you out and show it in motion parking up against something, just so you're able to see it. But I mean, even in that sort of quite dark sort of conditions, with sort of basically being in the shadow at the moment, you're still getting a nice image. I've got this temporarily put onto a suction mount bracket, which is an optional bracket. So obviously as standard it comes with that U bracket you'd have seen in the photos, but you've got a choice of lots of different brackets that you can install. So some people like this more than the integrated aerial 5-inch, just because you can have more than one channel. So you could even decide to have a cabled system for your car or van, and then have a wireless for the back of your trailer or your caravan. So I'll take this out on a drive and see if we can find something to reverse up to, just to show it all in motion. Wasn't the original plan to do it in such darkness that the auto lights have come on, but this will give you a good test of sort of low light level sensitivity of CCD sensors. It's a lot of cheaper cameras, they do struggle a bit more, especially some of the cheap CMOS equipment you get. So, nice picture. Very easy on your eyes, easy to work with. Keeps you safe, which is the main thing.